Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new document on the goodnotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the documents icon down below and then tap on the plus icon, new. Tap on notebook if you want to create a new notebook. Then you should create whether you would like to write on a blank paper, a dotted paper, or you can select from these writing papers or planners. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. Then you should tap on this A7 icon, and here you can choose the size of the paper and the paper color as well. You can choose between dark, white and yellow. If you are done with it, you should add the title if you feel like to do so to your notebook. Then press the button create if you are done with all these steps. So now you are ready to type in anything that you like into your new notebook, or you can even draw, add photos, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.